All right, everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at difference between numbers. Difference between numbers. So, for example, we know that 2 plus 3 is 5, and we can say the difference between 5 and 2 is 3, like that. So we can say 5 minus 2 is 3, like that. The difference between 5 and 2 is 3. On a number line, let's make a number line here. Here, 1, 2, 5, like that. The difference between 2 and 5, like that. You go 1, 2, 3, like that. Another thing we can mention is, say 5 is 3 more than 2. They're just different ways of saying all the same thing. Difference between 5 and 2 is 3. Or we can say that 5 is 3 more than 2, like that. So let's do some examples. Find the difference between the following numbers. So we got a whole bunch here. A, B, C, E, G, H, like that. So let's say 4 and 10. So what's the difference between them? So we go 10 minus 4 equals 6. So the difference between 10 and 4 is 6. 6 and 11. I'm going to write them down before I do them all. And you can do them as we go along. Feel free to pause the video and try it yourself first. So difference between 11 and 6, like that. 45 and 40. 38, 31. Difference is 7. So the difference between 38 and 31 is 7. Or we can say 38 is 7 more than 31. There you go. And feel free if you're doing calculations and you need to use your fingers, that's totally okay. You just keep practicing with your fingers until one day you no longer need to. There's no shame in that. So let's do practice 1. So as you guys know, the practice section is where you guys solve it on your own, and then we correct it afterwards. So it's the same question here. Find the difference between the following numbers. So 8 and 3, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that. You guys can see it's a little crooked. There you go. 13, 21 and 28, 18, 2, 43 and 50, 92 and 101. So what are the difference between these numbers? Go ahead and pause the video and give yourself a try. Go at it. Okay, so hopefully you guys practice that on your own. We got, so 8 minus 3 is 5. So the difference between 8 and 3 is 5. 28, 21, 7. 22 and 18 is 4. 19 and 16 is 3. 38, 31, 7. 50, 43, 7. 101, 92 equals 9. Excellent. So give yourself a little check mark there. Good. Let's keep going. I guess I'll put this here. So example 2. Let's use the number line. Use the number line to find the difference between the numbers. Okay, so we're going to use this line here, number line, and it's going to go 51 to 64. 52, 53, 54. So go ahead and write this in your book, in your notepad. Okay, so we've got the number line down. Let's see, between 53 and 59, 58 and 64, 54 and 61, 51 and 57. Okay, so we got 59 minus 53. What's the difference? And we're going to use our number line here. So we got 53 to 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. And if you do calculations in your head, you're like, yes, it is 6. 64 and 58. So we got 58 here and 64 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also 6. 61 and 54. So we start at 54, we're going to 61. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that. Excellent. 57 and 51. 51, 57. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. And you calculate it in your head, that works. Excellent. Okay, so let's have you guys give it a go. Practice number 2. So same question, use the number line. This time it's going to be a different number line. It's going to be from 28 to 43. 29, 30, 31, 32, 4, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. Excellent. Okay, so what are the numbers here? 28 and 35, B, C, D, E, F, that. 31 and 40, 34, 42, 38, 43, 32 and 37, 28 and 43. So go ahead and pause the video and find the differences between these numbers. Go ahead. Okay, so we're back here. So 28, 35, 28, 35. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that. So we got a difference of 7. 35, 28, difference of 7. 31, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 40, 31, 9, which is what we expect. Excellent. 42 and 34. I got a 34, we're going to 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like that. 43 and 38. 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. 37 and 32. 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 43 and 28. 43 and 28. There we go. You write that. 43. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. Give yourself a little check mark on that. Good for you guys. Okay, so now we're going to practice a terminology. Example 3. So we can say 8 is 2 more than 6. Right? 6 plus 2 equals 8. So we're just practicing some language here. 8 is 2 more than 6. 12 is 3 more than 9. So we got 9, 3 more is 12. Let's play some fill in the blanks here. Is 6 more than 7? What does that mean? It means we got 7 and we're 6 more is 13. 13 is 6 more than 7. 21 is how many more than 18? 18 is 3 more. Wait a second. 21 is 3 more than 18. Yeah, exactly. Whoops, there you go. 21 is 3 more than 18. 19 is 5 more than how many? So we get 19. It's 5 more than 14. F. 32 is how many more than 25? So 25 is how many more to get 32? 7. 32 is 7 more than 25. Whoops. Is 8 more than 11. 11 and 8 give 19. 19 is 8 more than 11. Beauty. Okay, so let's have you guys give it a go. Yeah, practice 3. So it's the same thing. So we've got here, just fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. E, C, E, F, G. And you really want to practice. You want to do this yourself. Don't just wait for me to give the answers, but try it yourself. You really want to make sure, do I understand this material? So I'm going to write it all out, and then you guys can go ahead, and then we'll pause for a little bit while you guys do it. Okay, good. So go ahead and give this a shot, and then we'll correct it together. Okay, so let's correct it together now. We have 41 is 8 more than 33. 22 is 7 more than 15. 6 more than 71. 77. 22 is 4 more than 18. 32 is 4 more than 28. 46 is how many more than 39? 7. that. And 61 is 7 more than 54. Excellent. I'll give yourself a little check mark on that. And so for practice number 4, I'd like for you guys to create 8 sentences of your own regarding differences. So any of the sentences that we used in this lesson, go ahead and create yourself some lessons. So I'll pause the video for a second. Go ahead and do that. Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to give you some examples of what you could have written. The difference between 12 and 8 is 4. Right, you could have said the difference between 21 and 15 is 6. Another sentence you could use differently is 31 is 5 more than 26. Or 82 is 6 more than 76. So whatever sentences you had, go ahead and have that verified by someone else. Just share with them and they can see that it's all good. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys hope that helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video.